Virgin Money Banking App Review 2025 Pros and Cons. Honest and unbiased. You won't believe how much your banking experience depends on the app itself. In 2025, Virgin Money continues to modernize its digital banking, but does the app truly deliver? The Virgin Money Banking App allows customers to manage checking, savings, credit cards, and loans from one place. The design is clean, intuitive, and aimed at making everyday banking less stressful. One major pro is usability. Account balances, spending insights, and payments are easy to access. The surprising truth is that small design improvements often make people manage money more responsibly. Another advantage is security. The app supports biometric login, instant card freeze, and real-time transaction alerts. These features give users greater control if something looks suspicious. However, most people get this wrong by assuming all features are universal. Some tools depend on your specific Virgin Money account type and region. International features may also feel limited compared to global fintech apps. Another downside is that advanced budgeting or investing tools are minimal. The app focuses on core banking, not financial planning. In conclusion, the Virgin Money Banking app is reliable and user-friendly. If you want straightforward digital banking without complexity, it's a solid choice in 2025.